Everyone, just checking in. The other day, I put up a post on Facebook about how I got myself stuck in a tree, or well, not stuck in a tree, stuck on the roof of the studio, taking down tree branches. Anyway, the tree branches I'm taking down are off of an awesome tree. Hang on a second, let me show you. Let's go over this way. Okay, there's the studio. And if you look up there, that tree kind of overhangs the lawn. This one right here. Let's see if I can zoom in. I can't zoom in. Anyway, that tree it's what they call a scrub type tree, which normally means that it's not good for anything because it's full of knots and it grows weird. Whoops. It grows weird. And it gets real odd, on its insides. What it's used for, come to find out, is it's used for pens and things that require really interesting wood grain and cool colors and stuff like that. So what I decided to do is I decided to make myself a cane. Now, why do you need a cane? I don't yet. However, I'm going to get old someday, and I'm not going to want to do this. So I'm spending some time doing this. Just want to show you something really cool. Okay. Now, you may say, why does that have such a weird top on it? Well, the reason is, what I'm doing, let me reach down here and show you, is we got all these grooves here. Got a groove here, and a groove here, and a groove here. It is made for my hand. So that's the idea there. And what I'm doing is I'm grinding it out. And my process, I don't know what I'm doing, as usual, so I'm kind of figuring it out. But you can see here, look at that. That looks really burned, right? Well, the reason it looks all burned is because what I'm doing is I'm taking one of these call that crack pipe lighter. Anyway, I have this torch lighter which has that really awesome flame, and I'm burning areas, alternating between burning and routing, well, not routing, but using my Dremel tool and this is something I got here. This top on here, by the way, my great-grandfather was a woodworker, and that's one of his sanding balls that he used for doing his woodworking. So anyway, this is what's going on. Just checking in. Want to let you know. Want to show you my COVID hair and show you that I'm still doing stuff. Doing a lot of painting. Grain to Glory Flag Company. Awesome. I'm going to be doing some stuff for Laurel's. I returned the Virgin Mary to the very nice lady who had me repaint her statue from the yard. Got a lot of work, and that's a scoop. So anyway, hopefully it's not too disturbing that I keep looking to the wrong side of the camera for where you guys are. I see you right there. And I'll be checking in with more stuff. I'm going to get back to some more drawing videos and some other neat stuff I got going on here. So anyway, take care. All right, bye. Bye, if I could shut it off.